curve is defined by the parametric equations x equals 3 cos 2 theta and y equals 2 cos theta. Show that dy dx is 1 over k cos theta, where k is an integer. Find an equation of the normal to the curve at the point where theta equals pi over 3. Find the exact value of the integral of sine squared x dx between minus pi over 4 and pi over 4. So there's the question, and I've summarized it here, so let's have a go at this first. So we need dy dx, so we need dx d theta, don't we? Dx d theta helps if I write the appropriate symbol. Cos goes to minus sine, doesn't it? So it's minus 3 sine of something multiplied by the something differentiated, which is a 2. So that's minus 6 sine 2 theta. Dy d theta? Let's differentiate with respect to theta here. Cos goes to minus sine. Minus 2 sine theta. So, dy dx then is dy d theta divided by dx d theta. So this goes on top, minus 2 sine theta, over, and then it's minus 6 sine 2 theta, isn't it? So here we've got the minuses will cancel, and the 2 will cancel into 6 3 times. And then this is 2 sine theta cos theta, so this is 6 sine theta cos theta. So the sines were cancelled just to leave 6 cosine theta 1 over. So you can write another step in there if you wish. 1 over 6 cos theta. So k is equal to 6. So there's the first problem done then, part 1. Find an equation of the normal now at the point when theta is equal to p over 3. So let's get the coordinate first. So part 2. At theta equals pi over 3. X is equal to, what was it? 3 cos 2 theta, wasn't it? And y is equal to, what was y? It was cos theta, 2 cos theta. So, so let's put it in then. Cos 2 pi over 3, cos 120 is cos 60 with a minus, which is sine 30. Minus 3 over 2. Tap it in the calculator if you need to. 3 cos 2 pi over 3. And y is equal to, cos of 60 is sine 30, which is a half. 2 times a half is 1. So here's our coordinates then. X and y. Now we know the gradient, dy dx. Also, dy dx then, the gradient at theta equals pi over 3 is equal to 1 over 6 times cosine of 60, which is sine 30, which is a half. 6 times a half is 3, so that's a third. So that's the gradient of the tangent. So equation of the normal then? Is y minus the point y coordinate 1 is equal to the gradient of the normal. Well, if that's a tangent, the gradient of the normal will be minus 3, won't it? Because minus 3 times a third is minus 1. Times x minus then the x coordinate, which is minus, so that's a plus 3 over 2. There's the equation of the normal. So that's that one done. Find the exact value of the integral in question. And I've remembered the integral, I haven't written it down, but I'll put it down here. It's the integral between minus pi over 4 and pi over 4 of sine squared x dx. We can use a double angle formula. Minus pi over 4, pi over 4. Now if you remember, cosine 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared. So that tells us that sine squared then will equal, move this over there, and it's 1, move this over there, it's 1 minus cosine 2x. But you've got 2 sine squared here in your mind's eye, so take the 2 from times down to divide. So that's what we put in here, a half minus a half cosine 2x dx. So what does that equal then? Let's integrate then. So integrate with respect to x, you get x over 2. And then we get integral of cos is sine. So we've got sine 2x. We need a half, so we need a quarter. We need a minus, so we'll put a minus in. Sine differentiates to cosine of something, multiplied by the something differentiated, which is 2, and 2 over 4 is a half, and the minus is there also. So that's that done. Between minus pi over 4 and pi over 4, put the values in then, top value. Minus pi over 4 goes in here, over 2 is minus pi over 8. Minus sine pi, 2 lots of pi over 4 is sine pi over 2, which is 90. Sine 90 is 1, so it's just minus 1 quarter. Sine of 90. Take away the bottom value. Put minus pi over 4 in here. You get minus pi over 8. Minus, and then put minus, sine of minus 90 is minus 1. Times a minus quarter is plus 1 quarter. Close bracket. Tap it in a calculator if you need to. Sine minus 90 is minus 1. So we've got minus pi over 8. Is that minus? Yeah, there's a minus there. The top value wasn't a minus though, was it? It was a plus. So we've got pi over 8, double minus is a plus, so it's 2 pi over 8, which is pi over 4. So that's that one. And then we've got minus a quarter, minus another quarter, which is minus a half. So let's take a quarter outside a bracket. Pi, and it's minus 2. 1 quarter bracket pi minus 2.